So now we are moving to the ninth sum. A company operates at a production level of 1000 units. The contribution is 60 per unit. The operating leverage is 6 and the combined leverage is 24. If the tax rate is 30%, what would be the earnings after tax? So it's a small sum. So let's start with it. First, let me write the format. So we have sales minus variable cost will give me contribution, minus fixed cost will give me earning before tax, minus fixed cost will give me earning before interest and tax. From this I will subtract interest, I'll get earning before tax, then we will subtract tax, finally we will get earning after tax. So the entire format I have written it out. Now the production level is 1000 units, so 1000 units is the production level and the contribution is 60 per unit. So if I multiply 60 per unit, so I will be getting a total contribution of 60,000 rupees. So this is a total contribution of 60,000 rupees. So this I will be putting here 60,000 as my total contribution. Now they have given us the operating leverage to be 6. So I can use the formula for operating leverage. So we have the formula that is contribution divided by EBIT. So contribution divided by EBIT is the operating leverage. So they have given the operating leverage to be 6. So 6, then we have the contribution equal to 60,000, and then EBIT. So EBIT we will be able to find, which is 60,000 you divide by 6. So EBIT you will get it equal to 10,000. So 10,000 is the EBIT. So 10,000 I will be writing here. So I am able to get 50,000 as my fixed cost. I subtracted the 60,000 with 10,000. So 50,000 I have got my fixed cost. Now they have given us combined leverage of 24. So we have operating leverage, we have combined leverage. Combined leverage they have given to be 24 and operating leverage is 6. So we know that combined leverage is nothing but operating leverage into financial leverage. So combined leverage is 24, operating leverage is 6, financial leverage we don't know. So 24 by 6 will be your financial leverage. So your financial leverage will be 4. Now financial leverage, there is a formula and that is EBIT divided by EBT. So EBIT I will divide by EBT, so I will get financial leverage. Now this is 4. I have EBIT which is 10,000. So I have to find the EBT. So EBT will be 10,000 you divide by 4. So EBT you are going to get 2,500. So this EBT you will fill here 2,500. Now when you subtract 10,000 minus 2,500, so you'll get 7,500 as your interest. They have given you the tax rate to be 30%. So tax rate at 30%. So on to 500 into 30%, so 750 will be the tax. and 2500 minus 750, so 1750 will be our earning after tax. So this information is missing. So I think we have found the answer. What would be the earnings after tax, and it will be 1750. So we will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.